weather from where you live.
We've got winter storm warnings from Virginia, West Virginia, all the way to Massachusetts, even a blizzard watch for coastal Mass. And I tell you, New York City could get 10, 12 inches of snow, winds gusting to 40. Coastal Mass, maybe 18 inches, winds gusting to 55. But even here, there's a winter weather advisory, Boone County southeastward. So what's going on here? Why do we have the winter weather advisory southeast of us? And what's going on the East Coast? Well, there's the Clipper, and you can see the snow associated with it. Moving southeastward, right there's the viewing area, but notice this little strip of white clouds, kind of almost like being shredded apart here. Well, that's a jet streak. Very strong winds up in the atmosphere, and what it's doing as it races through, it's really strengthening this Clipper. So the Clipper will strengthen as it moves southeastward. It'll be stronger down in southern Indiana, Kentucky by late tonight and tomorrow morning. It's going to increase the wind here. But as it moves to the southeast, the polar jet that transports the cold, subtropical jet that transports the deep moisture, will phase, and it's really going to blow up here on the East Coast. So that's why they have the winter storm warnings. This is 6+ inches of snow. But even here, we're going to get some snow out of this. And of course, the cold behind the system, brutally cold air comes in. 21 by 1 a.m. tonight. And then we drop into the teens and 13 at 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. That is the high for tomorrow. We may fall a little bit in the afternoon. You see the teens for highs. Then we'll shave a few degrees off in the afternoon. Wind chills below 0. And it's still cold Wednesday. We're in the teens over most of the viewing area, but low 20s down in our southwestern counties. High-res futurecast, snow starts to come in towards late this evening and tonight. That's 11:44. And as the storm really deepens and strengthens down in southwest Illinois and southern Indiana, snow really expands across the area. That is 3 o'clock in the morning. Still some snow around early tomorrow morning, and the wind's really cranking up. Winds out of the north and north-northeast up to 35 miles an hour. And for tomorrow itself, still breezy to windy, blowing drifting snow and a few snow showers in our far northern counties. And after the clouds break up a little bit tomorrow night, they come right back in on Wednesday. We have another Clipper, so snow developing. More snow during Wednesday evening. This is 7:30 in the evening, and that system gets out of here, and more brutal cold will follow. 1 to 3 inches area wide for the overnight, very early tomorrow morning. Little leg enhancement up here towards Wheatfield may drop 3 to 5. And where the storm is strengthening south and southeast of here, 3 to 5 from near the Lebanon area towards Indianapolis. We also need to watch later on in the month and perhaps very early February. The subtropical jet and polar jets phase over Texas. A storm will develop. That could move up our way and bring us another winter weather event, but we'll have to hang in there. I tell you what, the cold, snowy weather may linger into the first half of February, but latter February, I think the pattern will flip. Areas that are very warm and dry now out west will turn wet and cool, and we will finally start to warm up. 7-day forecast, 9 below 0 on Friday.